What are you doing? Are you sitting on Thomas?
Yeah.
Do you love Thomas?
Yeah.
Climb up. You can do it. Oh, goodness, you're so strong.
Yeah.
Choo-choo. Are you going to put Thomas on your blankie? No.
I just sit there.
You're just going to sit on it? That's fine, too. Is Thomas your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so good.
Pizza.
Can you say thank you, Nana and Papa?
Thank you, Nana and Papa.
Oh, that's so sweet. They love you very much. You're adorable.
Mommy, thank you.
Yes, ma'am? Oh, Thomas is the best.
Pizza.
Feet on.
Feed on, Thomas.